Oh god. So guys, it's not even a 1 month when Realme has introduced the Realme X2 in India, and now they have come up with this Realme 5i, and fortunately I have got this right inside the studio for you guys. So are you guys excited to see the unboxing and first impression of this Realme 5i? Because I am very excited to see this smartphone, because this smartphone comes for 9,000 rupees and it comes with Snapdragon 665 processor. So for that, let's unbox it and let's see how is this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and first impression of this Realme 5i. So let's begin. So guys, if I sound a little bit weird, please don't mind it, because I am a little bit sick, but still I am making this video. And for that dedication, can I get 500 likes on this video guys? First time in my life I am setting off like target, so please hit that like button. I have purchased it from Flipkart on the first sale and I have got it right over here. The Flipkart is very fast in terms of the delivery. So now I've got a box of this Realme 5i, 5000 mAh battery, ultra wide quad camera, Snapdragon 665, 6.5 inch display, and this is the aqua blue color. And this is a 464 GB variant, and by the way the pricing is around 8,999 rupees. So let me quickly remove this shield, plastic shield, which looks very nasty. We have the normal pouch. It seems it does not have the case. This is the quick guide, and we have some extra paperwork inside this. Okay, we have a SIM ejector pin, as you see. Then we have the phone itself. Let me remove it from this plastic wrapping, and I guess the case is not installed, which means I guess we don't get the case this time. Okay, so this is the phone, which looks very different, I guess, as compared to some previous Realme devices. As you see over here, it has this texture. Wow. And it does not attract fingerprints. That's great actually. Inside the box, we've got this power adapter, which has the output rating of 5 volt 2 ampere, as you see, 10 watt adapter, and micro USB cable, not a type C one. This is the phone guys. It looks very good, as you see. Very striking type of design. It looks fantastic, isn't it? And as of the first impression, it is quite good. It fits very comfortable in the hand. It is a fully plastic built device, but I have one complaint in terms of the design. The button, it has very different kind of button. I hope you guys are able to see this. So the button is kind of a recessed in the body, so it is not very tactilely feeling, While it's booting up, let me give you a physical overview of this phone. Let's start with the bottom. As you see on the bottom, we've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, the primary microphone holes, and micro USB speaker grill. That's obvious. On this side, we've got this power button, as you see over here. And on the top, by the way, the design is very striking. We've got this very different type of design. Are you guys able to see this or not? As you see, we've got very tapered design. It looks good. And on the top, there is nothing. And on this side, we've got this volume rockers and the SIM card tray. This smartphone costs just rupees 9,000, and in this price range, the design looks pretty good as of the first impression. And it has a dedicated SD card slot, fingerprint scanner, amazing. The quality of the fingerprint scanner too. As of the first impression, it seems pretty good, as you see over here. Quite fast, and even the face unlock is quite fast, as you see over here. It is very fast. So as of the first impression, the face unlock and the fingerprint unlock is pretty good. And then talking about the display guys, this is the 6.5 inch display with the HD plus resolution, but I don't know what kind of trickery they did that. Some kind of pixel matrix trickery, I guess, but this display looks very good. It looks very sharp too. I mean, I was not expecting the display of this smartphone to be that good. Moving to the back side, we've got the 4 cameras. Yeah, this is the 4 camera setup, quad camera setup. The primary sensor is this one, 12 megapixel with aperture of f1.8. Then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens. Very nice. Then we have flash AI camera branding. Then the fingerprint scanner, Realme logo is right over here. And when we move to the camera, so the first impression, they performs really nice. These are some of the samples which I've took in the daylighting situation. Please judge them and do let me know what do you think about them in the comment section below. And by the way, let me tell you that we've already got this pre-applied screen guard, so that's great. And as you see over here, this is the camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera. So this is a front facing camera picture, guys. Definitely there are some skin smoothing effect going on, as you see over here. Even in the natural mode, the skin smoothing effect is going on, but still the selfies are very good actually. So we are still running on ColorOS 7, I mean ColorOS 6. Yeah, 7 is not here. By the way, this smartphone has Snapdragon 665 processor, so it is very fast as I am guessing. So as you see over here, guys, currently running on Android 9 Pie. It has 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage and all those things. Wow, not bad. It seems good. I mean, the price is just 9,000. At this price range, we are getting really good phone. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this unboxing helpful. If you did, then hit that like button and let's reach 500 likes in this video. Share this video with your friends who are looking to buy the smartphone. It will be very helpful for them. And guys, if you find my content interesting, please feel free to subscribe this channel with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this in the future. It will be very helpful for you because you will get some amazing quality tech videos on this channel. With that said, hit that bell notification icon because YouTube will not send you notification if you don't hit that bell notification icon. So with that said, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.